Hello and welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'll be discussing why I invest in gold. So let's get right into it. So one of the reasons why I generally invest in gold is because it's the world's store of value. Now it's not just a country's store of value, it's the world's store of value. So it's known globally for its storage of value. It's backed up by the actual metal itself. It's a hedge for inflation. I mainly use it for my wealth preservation, mainly because if the shit hits the fan and you've drained out your emergency funds, gold could easily be liquidated rather than selling equities, which might be at a particular loss, and you don't want to crystallize that particular loss. You can't sell your property, although you may have equity in your property, you can't sell it immediately. Gold is generally something which can be liquidated fairly quickly, and that's one of the reasons why I buy gold. Gold will not make you rich, so it won't make you a millionaire overnight. It's not like equities, which is fairly volatile, and it's not like crypto, which might pump one day and may completely flatten out the next day. So it's generally steady progress. If you have a look at the chart here that I've got, over time it's generally gone up. The returns have been 500% from 2001, which is around here, all the way to where we are at the moment. It's a 500% return on investment. Now that is a crazy return, and on average it's worked out about 8% with the dips. So I wouldn't rule gold out immediately. I think it's a very good investment, but you won't become rich from it. Another reason why I generally invest in gold is mainly because of general currencies are taking a bit of a battering at the moment. So there's an awful lot of money printing taking place from various governments, whether it's the UK, the US, whatever. Interest rates are being hiked on a daily basis. There's also these rumours about various countries now implementing the CBDC currency, which is central bank digital currency, which allows the government to control the amount that you own. So they would have access to your particular bank, so to speak, the online bank, and they could say, for example, if you fail to pay your road tax, or if you fail to pay your council tax, or whatever the case may be, they could potentially freeze your money. They could already do that with the current state of affairs in various governments. They could already still do that, but it depends on it. They do have to jump through various hoops to do that at this moment in time. It's not something that they could do immediately, whereas that it would be a lot quicker and easier for them to implement. So that's another thing which makes gold fairly lucrative, in the sense that if you've got something in your possession and you know where it's stored, then you could actually liquidate it at any stage. You could purchase gold in different types. You've got bullions, you've got sovereigns, you've got bars, you've got different types. That's the current price at the moment. Another reason why I generally buy it is mainly because there's no technical analysis involved, so it's fairly straightforward. As long as you look at the price, it's reduced, you could potentially buy some more if it's at a reduced price, or you could continue to buy it. It's had a strong performance over the years, as I've already discussed. It's easily liquidated, and that's one of the main reasons why I generally buy. But each to their own. People prefer equities, they prefer bonds, they prefer other asset classes, but you rather have your eggs in multiple baskets as opposed to just one particular asset class. So I think it's fairly good, and I'll continue to invest in gold. But let me know what your thoughts are and what you think of it.